Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Report online morning update for the 12th of October 2012. US markets erased earlier gains in overnight trading as optimism over a drop in jobless claims faded. There was a host of economic data for markets to digest, with the most positive being a surprisingly sharp drop in weekly US jobless claims to a 4-year low. However, the early gains on Wall Street fizzled after trade data revealed weaker demand for US exports, and investors adopted a guarded approach ahead of earnings results from banking majors JP Morgan and Wells Fargo. Volatility was the theme again in oil markets, with crude rising 1% amid growing tensions in the Middle East, and despite data showing a bigger than expected rise in weekly stockpiles in the US. In the currency space, the euro rose amid hopes S&P's downgrade of Spanish debt will force the country to request a sovereign bailout. The greenback weakened against a number of other currencies as the US jobless claims data encouraged risk appetite, whilst the Aussie dollar strengthened on the back of yesterday's surprisingly strong domestic jobs data. The SPI rallied back towards 4,500 overnight, continuing what has been a volatile week in terms of the price action. Notably, the index backed away from 4,500, demonstrating this level's strength as resistance. Following the mixed night overseas, the Aussie market is on track for a 10-point gain on the open later this morning. For the Asian markets, we maintain a long bias on the Hang Seng and a short bias on the Nikkei, whilst in the Australian equity section we have a long biased trading idea on Super Retail Group. That wraps up the Australian Stock Report morning update. Thank you for listening.